Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. This is question 4 from Necta Form 2 Math Exam 2020. So I have already completed question 1 to 3. You will find those in the playlist that say Form 2 Math 2020. Right, if you like my video, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you. So let's start with 4a. We're told to find the values of x and y in the following figure. So we have here, we can see a four-sided shape, quadrilateral, and then we have a straight line here that goes all the way there, and we need to find x and y. Now, if I look at x and y on a straight line, I can't find what x is. I will have two unknowns. If I take the quadrilateral and add all those up, I will still have two unknowns. Now that gives you a clue that you may need to form two equations and solve them simultaneously. So let's start by doing the straight line. So we got x here and we got y. We know angles in a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So let's say here we got x plus y. They need to be equal to 180 degrees. So let's say this is equation 1, and the reason for that is angles. So make sure you mention this in your exam. In a straight line equals to 180 degrees, or you can say they add up to 180 degrees. So that is equation 1. And then we have this quadrilateral, the four-sided shape. 2x plus y plus 98 plus 32, they need to add up to, if you add all these up, you will get 360 degrees. And the reason for that is interior angles of a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. So we're going to form the next equation. So what we have 2x plus y, that one and this one, and then plus 98 degrees and plus 32 degrees, and these need to add up to 360 degrees. So you can say angles in a quadrilateral, you can finish that, equals to 360 degrees, or add up to 360 degrees. So if we simplify this, then we'll get 2x plus y equals to 360 degrees, take away 98 degrees, take away 32 degrees. Then we have 2x plus y equals to, if you subtract this, you will get 230 degrees. So let's call this equation 2, guys. Let's put them nicely. We have x plus y equals 180 degrees, and we have 2x plus y equals to 230 degrees. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So now I can see the y's have the same coefficient, so and they are both positive, which means I can subtract the two equation, and I'm going to use the elimination method. So I'm going to do 2x take away x, and that will give me x. Y take away y, that's gone, equal to 230 take away 180 degrees. This will give me 50 degrees. So x is equal to 50 degrees. Now let's go ahead and find y then. So we can say from 1, x plus y equals to 180 degrees, but we know what x is, so we can say 50 degrees plus y is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore y is going to be equal to 180 degrees minus 50 degrees. So this is going to give you 130 degrees. So therefore we know x is going to be equal to 50 degrees and y is going to be equal to 130 degrees. So that is part A completed, guys. Now for part B we have I and then II. So we're told this, suppose a metal wire is bent to form a semicircle with a radius of 14 centimeters. Find the total length of the metal wire, and then we need to find the area bounded by the wire. So let's do a small sketch here. We have a semicircle. Okay, so that's my lovely semicircle. And we need to find the length of this metal wire. That means all this and all this curved part. But it is a semicircle. Now we're told the radius is 14 centimeters. That means from there to there is going to be double that, which is 28 centimeters, because that's a diameter. And then we need to find the length of this semicircle, add to this diameter, and that will give us the length of the wire. So how do we find the length of the semicircle? Well, it's just half of the circumference. So the length of the semicircle, okay, that's going to be equal to the circumference, which is 2 pi r, but we need to halve it, divide by 2. So this and this goes, and then we have the pi, which is 22/7, and the radius is 14. So if we cancel that, we get 2. This means the radius, the length of the semicircle is going to be equal 22 times 2, 44 centimeters. But this is not what we've been asked to give. We've been asked to say what's the total length of the metal wire. So it's all around here. So finally you have to say the total length is going to be equal to this diameter, because that is wire, that is the part of this semicircle. You've got wire here and wire here, so that's going to be 28 plus this part, the semicircle, which is 44, and all this will give you 72 centimeters. So this is the answer to part I. Right, guys, for part II, we've been asked to find the area bounded by the wire. So that means we need to find this area. It is a semicircle. So if we know how to find area of a circle, we just need to divide that by 2, and that will give us the area of this wire, or the area bounded by the wire. So area bounded by this wire is going to be equal to area of the circle, which is pi times r squared, but we need to halve it. We need to divide it by 2. So then we can do pi as 22/7 times the r squared. The radius is 14, and then it's squared, and then we need to divide that by 2. So I'll just continue over here. So I now have 22 times 14 squared. Now 7 times 2 will give me 14. This 114 and that one will go, and then now I have 308 centimeters square, and this is the area bounded by the wire, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.